Yo, what's up? It's rainy day today and we are in Jimbaran. It's very nice. But yeah, so we will go somewhere in this beach and then yeah, let's have a, I don't know, there will be no sunset maybe.
No sunset maybe, but this is the fourth season.
So we're just showing you our daily life. Let's go.
Life. And this is area where we didn't show too much. Boats. There are fishermen still living around. It's funny because on the other side I have four-season residents and here is the still very local life. So, welcome to Bali. Everything is in the same place and it's actually quite beautiful here. This is called Jimbaran Bay and the kids playing football. Yo, what's up? You miss it? Happy local kids playing beach football just next to the Balinese Ronaldinho. Over at the front is the Four Seasons Resort. All of this, actually, all the cliff belongs to the Four Seasons. I think we were on this beach many times, but I don't remember when we were last time so close to the hotel. Wanna show you a little bit today. At least kids enjoying their time. I don't know, quiet. It's quiet, a little bit quiet. What do you think?
Yeah, it's the weekend, but I don't know, maybe because of the weather nowadays in Bali. And then, you know, some people even ask us, is it a good time to come to Bali in December or November, something like that? Normally at this month, November, December is the rainy season. So it's good to come to Bali if you just wanna only staying in the hotel or in your villa. But for the outdoor activities, will be like this.
Will be like this. Often cloudy and not often sunset. So we are already filming for 2 minutes around, and honestly I don't know what we are talking about. It's like we wanted to make a vlog, but actually it's not that much to talk about. It will be easier if I will just walk and show you the beach, but well, there is not even much is happening. Maybe because of weather. It's sleepy day. It's weekend, but it's like Monday feel.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah,
Well, but at least we are doing video for you. So because last time I read actually very nice comment. What I really like reading comments like this. At least we have something every single day to watch from Bali, no matter what. So well, sometimes there is not always colorful, right?
Do your best or
Don't do it at all. Simple as that. Seems like rain season come, and like every year when it's the rain season, also the rubbish coming also with the rain season. So that's just the beginning. The February, March is the worst definitely, but well, end of November also a little bit. Last time when we was here in Jimbaran Bay, there was so many people actually, but maybe because of weather. Not that many today, but some kids at least enjoying their time on the beach.
If we compare with other beach, like, I don't know, I can say that this is December and rainy season. I don't know, I hope that it's not that big, tragic rubbish season on the beach. But yeah.
It will be also, but hopefully not now. Little doggo. Some expats here, some tourists, actually quite many doggos, corn guy. We're gonna grab some rattler maybe. Actually I think there's a good condition for surfing because so many people with the surfboards, I guess. Wonder if today will be the dinners over there.
Yeah, I think that seafood, the famous seafood restaurant in Jimbaran is fully occupied when it is not raining. When it is a beautiful sunset, will be fully occupied. But see, because it's raining, almost all outdoor tables are empty.
Yeah, so everything depends on the weather. And as you can see also behind the restaurant, there's very cloudy and I think it's gonna be really heavy rain.
Yeah, because in Jimbaran is the famous, like, you know, you're sitting on the sand, facing the ocean, outdoors. But sitting indoors seems like you're just like eating in the any kind
of restaurant. You can go anywhere and sit inside, right? But outdoors is different experience. Rain is going to be stronger a little bit. Actually, I will show you a little bit around. There are every big clouds. Whoa, look at this doggo. I don't know what kind of doggo is this. And there are also clouds. And here is Sayang with umbrella. Oh.
So big rain. But look like this cafe on the right, you can see normally at this time will be fully people sitting outside. But now they are just sitting inside. And one thing, the corn seller is never give up. This is just like us. We never give up, no matter what the season is. Is it dry, sunshine? We just never give up to showing you how Bali is in the reality, good or bad. Even somebody saying that, you have to be optimistic. Yeah, what we can say, this is how it is. We are trying our best to be optimistic.
So it's beautiful rainy day in Bali today. Actually, at least it's not that hot. You see, always can find something for optimistic. This guy is actually gone, but if I wanna buy, definitely he will come. Corn guy who never give up. He star on almost every my video on this. Hello, my friend. Raining, raining.
Work hard, stay humble, just to survive. So good.
So we stopped in the one somewhere on here. There are some fellas behind me enjoying their beer because the weather is not much you can do around. And quiet, cozy place. We're gonna have some coffee because it's cold, almost like winter in Poland. Almost, not that really actually, but it's a little cold, cool. Our coffee arrived. They even have some croissant, so not so bad, right?
Yeah, I got a very terrible headache, and then yeah, with the weather like this as well. So yeah, some people also, like commented last time, like, you are still lucky, you're living in Bali, like if compared with other people who live in a biggest city, like in Jakarta or in Surabaya or Bandung or something like that, like it's more stressful than living in Bali. So yeah, what I can say, everyone has their own, what is it called?
Path.
Preference,
Preference.
right?
And path in their life. Seems like the rain actually is getting more stronger and stronger than it was when we arrived, so it's really not so bad to be here.
All right, so I'm reading one article. It's about this one. The 2 tourists killed while river rafting in Gianyar after landslide struck. I'm so sorry about this one. Yeah, nowadays in the rainy season will be the landslide, flood everywhere. So yeah, if you're asking us about is it a good time coming to Bali in December or November when it is rainy season? Well, coming to Bali is always good every time. But if you want to do the outdoor activities like going to the waterfall, exploring to, like rivers, water rafting, maybe that is not the best ideas because of the weather. And then if you go to the beach surfing, just like that, maybe the thunder will struck you, because last time, if I'm not mistaken, there was a news in Canggu, I think that few years ago, that one foreigner was struck by the lightning because they were going surfing in the big rain like this and the thunder. So yeah, this is how it is.
But perhaps you are looking to enjoy the coffee on the beach in the rain or bintang. I think it's alright, no matter what time of the year you're gonna come.
Alright guys, and the rain is already stopped, and then it's time to go home. Thanks for watching our videos, and see you tomorrow. Bye!